I'm going to be showing you how to get Jades in Honkai Star Rail. So in Honkai Star Rail, stellar Jades are the most valuable currency and are primarily used to purchase Star Rail passes for gacha pools. So you can obtain stellar Jades through various methods. So the first method is to complete missions. So completing Trailblaze missions and adventures will reward you stellar Jades. So the main story quests typically yield around 80 stellar Jades per completion, and you can also try participating in events. That's a great way to earn stellar Jades. You have your treasure chests. Opening treasure chests scattered throughout the gamed areas rewards a small amount of stellar Jades, and just complete all of the missions that you have, collect stickers, and you can also try purchasing them through the store. So logging in daily can also provide stellar Jades, though not a lot. It'll provide a small amount of stellar Jades. So in this way you can successfully increase your stellar Jade count in Honkai Star Rail. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.